talk?
Of course. What happened?
I don't feel okay.
Sit with me.
I've been hiding something.
You can tell me anything.
I'm scared.
I'm here for you.
What if you get angry?
I won't. Just speak.
I made a mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes.
But mine feels big.
Tell me.
I lied to you.
About what?
About my exams.
You didn't pass.
No, I failed.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
why didn't you tell me?
I was afraid.
Afraid of me?
Yes,
That hurts me.
I didn't want to disappoint you.
You didn't disappoint me.
Really?
Yes, lying did. Not failing.
I understand.
We can fix results.
I feel like a failure.
You are not a failure.
Everyone else did well.
Don't compare yourself.
It's hard.
I know.
I feel lost.
You just need direction.
Will you help me?
Always.
I was crying alone.
You should have come to me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay now.
I hate myself.
Don't say that.
I failed you.
You are my child, not a result.
That means a lot.
I love you no matter what.
I love you too.
We will make a plan.
Together?
Yes, together.
Thank you.
You are brave for telling me.
I feel lighter now.
Good.
Will things be okay?
Yes, slowly.
Promise.
I promise.
Can I hug you?
Come here.
I needed this.
Me too.
I won't hide things again.
That's all I want.
I trust you.
And I trust you.
Thank you for understanding.
Always.
I feel better.
Sleep peacefully now.
Stay with me.
I'm here.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my child.